Hey everyone, welcome back to Outside in Michigan. Well, today's video is going to be something a little different from what I usually do. I actually had a company reach out to me and ask me to do a review of their product. And that product is from Saker. It is the Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw. So I just got this in the mail yesterday. So I have not yet opened it up yet. So what we're going to do is get into the box here. When they reached out to me, I immediately thought it was, something that I could probably use around the house here. I have quite a few trees on the property, and I like to keep everything down low, trimmed to the point where you can walk underneath the trees without hitting any branches or anything. So, all right, first off out of the box, we have a charger. We have a mini Phillips screwdriver. This appears to be the battery. We have one 1.5 amp hour battery, 20 volt. We have a little oiler. Of course, the owner's manual. We have a little wrench and the mini saw itself. Comes with a lanyard, which is very small. I can barely get my hand in there. Set the box off to the side. The grip on it is really good. I like that. It has a guard for your hand and a guard on top of the chain. So first impressions out of the box, not too bad. Seems nice and balanced. Battery already has a charge on it, but I'm going to put that on the charger, get a full charge, and I'm going to go through the owner's manual here, and we'll come right back. So we'll get the battery charged up, go through the owner's manual, and we'll take this out and cut up some branches. Alright guys, we are back. The battery is fully charged. It took 1 hour and 9 minutes to get a full charge on the battery. The battery does not have any indication on power level. While charging, there is an indicator light on the charging cord. It is red while it's charging, and when the battery is fully charged, the indicator light will turn green. So the owner's manual. The owner's manual is pretty well written. Recommends not cutting any branches over 4 inches in diameter. Doing a relief cut underneath the branch before cutting and holding on to the branch. There is no oil reservoir on this, so you actually have to take the oil that they gave you. Before I do that, I'm going to remove the battery and hold back the guard, and you're just going to take a little bit of this oil and run it through that chain. Should have gloves on. Okay. To activate the trigger, there is a safety button that you have to depress and then pull the trigger down. A little bit of safety feature there. battery back on. And it's only on the right side. There's nothing on the left side. So for the lefties out there, you're gonna have to figure something out. So I guess that's about it. I think we're ready to cut. And it does recommend periodically, depending on how much you're cutting, to, put more oil on. It says basically after the battery has been depleted to the point where it needs to be charged, you should re-oil again. So, and of course, recommend safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection. So let's head on out and give it a run. All right, guys, here we go. First branch. That was rather easy. Couple dead branches there. Took care of those real nice. Alright guys, we're going to try it on this bigger limb here. No problem. There we go, guys. Got it nice and opened up underneath here now. Here's some of the larger branches that I took off. Got a big pile of brush already down here. It didn't even take much time at all. I probably did all this in under 10 minutes. The chain seems really sharp, goes through the wood pretty good, so did get bind up at one point in time, but I think I was pushing too hard on it. So got some pine tree branches that I want to get rid of here. Just that quick. Alright guys, well, my initial impressions are it's a handy little saw. Cuts really good. You can't really put a lot of pressure on it, just let the saw do the work, just like any other regular chainsaw. Just let it do its thing, and yeah, I think this would make a really good take out to the woods, your hunting property or whatever, clearing shooting lanes or something like that. Not sure how long the battery would last. I would like it to be a 2 amp hour. That would be a little bit better, but it's only 1.5. But I don't know how long that battery would last, so definitely further testing needs to be done on it, but my initial thoughts are it's pretty handy. It cuts really good, and you know, one hand's free to catch the branch as it falls, and I cut through some pretty good branches there that were, I don't think they were 4 inches, maybe 2 or 3 inches, but the saw did really good. So if you think this is something that would be useful to you, the Saker mini chainsaw. You can pick yourself up one on Amazon. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up. My first review of a product sent to me. So I think right now I give it a thumbs up. So like I always say, stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.